Hey guys, Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's video I'm going to walk you through a landing page example of a page that is currently converting at 30%. So what you're looking at here is a pest control landing page, and this page is right now in a live AdWords campaign as of today, which is April 28th, is converting at a little over 30%. So this is a basic walkthrough of that page. Now I should tell you the conversion rate is coming from all mobile traffic. All right, it is all mobile traffic, or at least a very high percentage of mobile traffic. Like 96% of the traffic going to this page is mobile, and I'm going to show you the mobile version as well. But this is the page. All right, I've obviously taken out the client's info, so I don't want to compromise that. But you can see we start up here in the top bar, we do 3 benefits, do a logo, we do a main call to action, click the call number. We do a little blurb here about the pest control company, top rated, award winning, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Serving city name and surrounding areas, very important. You're letting the person know they're local. 3 pictures, make sure they're real pictures, not stock photos. Authenticity is key. Little blurb about the company here. A little pests we can help with. Even if there's 50 of them, list them all right here, because you're just going to hit more trust signals with the person on this page. Insert bigger content block down here. Usually it's a closing paragraph. We do images here, about 4 across, 4 in the bottom. More bullet points or benefits here. Then we have the form. We have another call to action. Click the call number. Fill out the form. You can put a drop down box here, whatever. It doesn't really matter. Submit your request. And a little blurb about the company again, just a little half paragraph right here. This is really important. Your company address goes here. That's really important as for a trust signifier. Areas we serve, list out every single city the client services. Final call to action in the footer, call to schedule your estimate, click the call number. Down here, there should be your company name and a privacy policy. That's what should be here. Really important. I don't have that on this example page, actually. I think I probably deleted it. But anyways, in Instapage, which is where we build our landing pages, you can do privacy policy and make it a link. That big pop-up box that has a privacy policy in it. And obviously, your client will have the privacy policy, or if you don't have one, you can get one online. They're easy. Now, if we go into our Instapage Builder, you're going to see here we have we're in our Instapage Builder. It's all drag and drop, really easy stuff. And we'll go look at the mobile version of this page, and you can kind of see how it works. So this is 96% of the traffic is mobile, so it's coming right to what you're looking at. We have our logo, our 3 benefits, logo, main call to action, big phone number, really important, click to call. Then we have our main header, 3 authentic pictures, all the pests they can help with, contact form, pest pictures, and then the final footer info. And that's really it. And this page just pulls. Now, obviously, no matter how great your landing page is, if the campaign that you're using, whether it's Facebook or AdWords or whatever, Google Ads, Yahoo, and you're driving traffic to this page, if the traffic or the campaign is dog shit that you're sending to the page, it's not going to matter what you do to landing page. It's never going to work. So one of the biggest things with landing page creation is message match. So that's really important. Whatever your marketing campaign is that you're sending to this page, that the traffic is high quality. Because if you're sending broad, irrelevant, unrelated traffic to this page, even though this page churns out 30% conversion rates, like it's got to be realistic traffic. It has to be people who are looking for pest control removal or services. You can't send people looking for, I don't know, cat stuck in a tree or whatever. It doesn't, you know what I mean? It's got to be. There's only so much you can do with a landing page. So that's something to keep in mind when you're creating your landing pages, is to make sure that the traffic you're sending to the page is on point, and the messages that you're sending, the ads, reflect what's on this page. Okay, that is the most important thing with landing page. Your keywords should go to the ads. The ads should have the same keywords in them. The ad should then come to this page. This page should have all the same keywords that your ads are talking about. Message match straight across the board. That's what drives high conversion rates. All right, so if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments below this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There's just be a little red button in the bottom right of the screen. Make sure you click that and subscribe. If you are interested in learning more about creating high converting landing pages like this, we offer a landing page course called Landing Page Academy. I'll drop a link to that in the description below this video, and I'll also drop a link to Instapage just in case you guys want to play around in there and check it out. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.